Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Refuses to Step Out of Her Car, Ends Poorly. Let's get into it.
251 in the back, 147 from Gonzales at 12.
Sorry, you can have
Hello, how's everybody doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. You're being pulled over, you got no taillights on. Okay, can I see your driver's license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you have ID on you, ma'am?
My purse is in my trunk
Okay.
with my ID, my license.
Okay, what's your name?
Jennifer.
You're the owner of the car?
I am.
Okay. What about the proof of insurance for the car?
It's on my phone.
It's on your phone?
Yeah.
Can you pull it up?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you roll down the back window for me too, please?
You want that one?
Yep.
My phone is back there with my purse.
Okay, who's your insurance through?
It's through Allstate.
Then I give you a piece of paper for that?
No, it's on my phone. Digital. Just like everybody else's is on their phone. Mostly digital.
Okay. Where y'all head from tonight?
You just left Waffle House.
What's that?
You're at Waffle House.
Okay, where y'all headed to? Okay. Do y'all have IDs on y'all, the passengers? Let's get your IDs real quick.
Actually, my purse, I left my wallet at the beach, so my wallet is gone.
Okay. What's your name?
Courtney?
Courtney? Courtney with a C or with a K?
Pull me over because my tail.
Yeah, you have no taillights on.
Okay, can I get down and see?
No, ma'am, you're going to stay right there for me. Courtney with a C or a K?
Courtney with a C.
With a C?
Yes.
So C-O-U-R-T-N-E-Y?
Can I ask why I'm even being ID'd?
I'm just asking.
I mean, it's fine, but also I know that is actually, you need to have,
Thank you, sir.
you need to have some kind of, you need to call your superior in, because this is not,
No, ma'am, I'm just asking. You don't have to provide it.
I mean, no, it is, because I'm a passenger.
Okay. And you don't have to provide it. I'm just asking.
But I'm being honest with you, but that also is, I've
Okay.
never.
Hang tight. Right back with y'all, okay?
38 years old.
Yeah, should be good. Hey, go to the driver's side. Then she's gonna be sitting on one. Just tell me what you think.
Need me?
What's up?
You need me?
Yeah, hold on. Passenger rear has got a warrant with county.
Okay.
I think the driver's gonna be sitting on one as well.
Oh, nice.
So.
She don't like that light in her eyes.
What's that?
So she don't like the light in her eyes.
No, I'm very certain she's sitting on one. Well, let's go to that rear passenger door for now. We'll get him out.
Back
here
left, back right.
Rear passenger side.
Oh, shoot.
This looks better, yeah, I'd say so.
No, she's like, her movements have been slow.
Yeah.
So her speech, I can smell alcohol coming out of the car.
Yeah, her glassy eyes and everything.
Yeah. So, I want to deal with the warrant first. Dude's got a warrant.
That's a warrant.
Dude in the back seat.
Oh, okay. All right.
So, I'm waiting for dispatch to confirm it. We'll deal with him, then I'll go to the driver for that part. Good.
And this is just why, as being a passenger, you ain't got to provide your information. I mean, and he even says it. He says, I'm just asking. You don't have to provide it. And providing it, now you're going to jail. But either way it goes, it's a good thing that, you know, he may not want to hear this, or anybody that is actually in trouble or whatever. It's actually better to just go take care of it and get this put past you versus prolonging the situation and you always got this warrant or whatever hanging over your head. It's always better to just go take care of the business and then deal with it on the back end. You feel me? And go about your life. You just deal with it and then go about your business. But yeah, you could definitely tell they are under the influence of something, especially the passenger female. Now, the passenger driver, she a little but the passenger female, you could see it all in her eyes. Like, you know, it's like the slurred speech, all that, whatever, which if she's drunk, then most likely the driver is drunk. You know what I'm saying? So, which, anyway, let's just continue to see what's going on here.
What's going on, County?
So,
Have you step out for you leave everything there. You can toss your cigarette to the side, okay?
Actually, I know better.
No, ma'am, I'm not talking to you. Sir, go step out of the car for me.
All right, so ma'am.
Just hop out for me, okay? Come on. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. We're gonna let you get rid of that for you. Oh, God. Sure.
ain't gonna be comfortable, but you got a warrant, Bubba. Come
All right.
on. Just step out the car. I need to talk to you, okay? Because I'm telling you to. Step out the car for me, okay? I'm not going to go through this, ma'am. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
They about to get you
Step out
together.
of the car. We are going to physically take you.
You better act right.
Because I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yep, get her together.
Congrats.
She ain't cooperating.
I'm not resisting. I'm not.
Yep.
Stand up.
How? I'm not resisting.
You got another pair?
Because
Come
I
out.
said I didn't want to get out my car. I'm
Yep.
resisting. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit for real. That's some bullshit for real.
Well, if you want to step out, I want to talk to you about it.
No, you said.
So the issue, ma'am, is you appear to be impaired by under the influence of alcohol or narcotics tonight. Driving under the influence. So.
I think my wallet,
Yeah, I saw where it was, man. I'll get you all that stuff, okay?
Sure, man.
Yep.
That being said, would you be willing to do some standardized field sobriety tests?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay.
All right, boss, we can walk
Fail.
I just want to know why you're at. Why you said I
Never
was
pass
resisting.
those.
Because I said
Because we
I didn't
told
want
you
to
you
get
got
out
the car and you didn't, and you have to.
Okay, but just because
Okay.
I said no.
Correct.
And I'm not
That's
resisting.
resisting. You're resisting a lawful order. Okay.
That's bullshit.
Yep.
My issues were the fuck over.
Well. Hey, Sarge, let me hard you for a second. I know. She's actually willing to do a field sobriety test.
Okay.
So, will you hold her over here while I go put my car over there for something?
Absolutely.
Ricardo, will you stand up there with her?
With who, the passenger?
Yeah.
This way.
It's gonna be hard for me to do that.
Hey, Zach, we got to get her on the flip flop.
Oh, okay. I'll get it for her.
Here's his phone as well.
I'm just trying to be nice so that way we're not towing your car.
There you go, dear. Hey, Bubba. Ricardo. I need you to do me a favor. Can you, I'll stay with her for a second. I don't got a camera in my car.
Yeah.
Put your car in that parking lot, set up for FSTs for me. Yeah. I'll be over there in a second. Then I'll have us switch out.
That's what you can do is just be quiet. Good.
Definitely wouldn't have known that about. I mean, how would we know about
man.
him?
I think the issue is all y'all been drinking alcohol all night. It's mistake number one.
always an Uber and a Lyft.
So you guys took her, I mean, had she just stepped out and talked to you,
I mean, she, I mean, it'd be 100% different. But she said no. That's what happens when you say no to the police.
Well, I care about her, and
well, you know,
obviously, she's a really good friend to me.
She's just trying to be a lawyer.
Okay. I mean,
hey,
So she
forget
knew the law.
FSTs if she's causing problems. We're not going to do FSTs then. Just cancel. Hey, Mercado, just bring your car back over. Sorry.
can I try to
No.
calm down?
How can you get home?
I will get home. I will be.
Well, here's the deal. We're going to tow the car. I'm towing the car. Okay. You can't drive because you're drunk.
No, I'm not drunk, but I would
You're
I would never say that I would drive. I know
You're
better than
intoxicated.
that.
Nothing against you being intoxicated. You're a passenger in a car.
Who am I going with? Her or you?
No, put her in the back of your car.
Nah.
We're going to do FSTs, but
Can I,
she's trying to slip cuffs and stuff.
can I please tell her, calm down? Can I have the moment? Can I step out?
No, man, not at all.
Just
No.
please. I am right here with you. It's the last thing I want is.
A bunch of drunk idiots, man.
It's the last thing I want is.
Get her together. Send her down to the county.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Are they both in there? The guy too?
They're both in.
The dude is the calmest one.
So, I now need you to step out the car for me. Okay, you're not in trouble. Understand that. I just need you to step out the car because, you know.
What's your name?
Courtney.
Another female.
Okay. Courtney, do you want to go stand in front of my car for me, Courtney?
Sure.
That's cool.
No, that's Jennifer.
But it's Courtney in the card.
She won't give me her, she did not want to give her date of birth.
Gotcha.
I cannot identify her, I cannot force her. Would you like to help me inventory the vehicle?
Smart
Take an
girl.
inventory of the vehicle.
Yeah, the car's gonna get towed.
Here's his stuff. Yeah, I got you.
Well, I have a birthday.
Didn't get no birthday woman. During the, well, also PC search because of the DUI part, but
Oh, yeah.
a bottle, open the fireball, cinnamon whiskey.
Oh, by the driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a whole bottle of that.
The Courtney subject was in the car. Can you run her out of Virginia?
I didn't put a Courtney subject in the card, did you?
Oh, well.
Okay, so I do.
I'm sorry. She said she gave you her 14.
No, she gave me first and last name, but didn't want to give her date of birth.
No, I did give my date of birth.
Oh, you didn't? Old drunk people. The driver clearly intoxicated.
Yeah.
Slow movements.
Yeah.
Glassy eyes.
Belligerent.
Slurred speech. Won't do FSTs due to resisting and trying to get out of her handcuffs.
Just try slipping them.
Yeah. Told her step out, she said no.
47. Can you run it all the way out of Virginia? By name, date of birth, no possible.
Courtney put her hand back here whenever I had pulled them over. Like up against the, right there.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything that was dropped.
I know us having someone.
Courtney? Do you have a way to get home? You said that you'd figure it out. Do you want to stand by here with us while you get somebody to come over here and get you, or?
I'll be fine.
You sure?
We're gonna be here for a minute.
I was wondering, like, with her car,
It's being towed.
they're just towing.
Yeah, it's being used in a DUI.
That's going
It's
to
being towed.
impound.
Yeah.
Like,
No. Hey, you got your implied consent paper? Hey, question for you. Hey, I arrested this chick for DUI. She's pretty hammered. She wouldn't get out the car, so we arrested her. Then she tried to slip her handcuffs, so we're not going to do FSDs. I'm assuming I still need to ask her if she'd blow, right?
Gets it down into mouth is trying. I'm like, oh hell no.
That's what I figured. Yeah. Yeah, I got to give her the option first. Okay, just making sure. All right. Bye. I got to go ask her if she'll blow.
Yeah, she fucking pulled them.
Do you got your implied consent thing in case she doesn't blow?
All day, baby.
You're the best off. You can lock your car real quick. Hey, Miss Cleve, here's the deal. So, you're going to jail tonight for driving under the influence. Okay. Are you willing to provide a sample of your breath? Determine the blood alcohol content?
How can you arrest me for driving under the influence when I haven't provided anything at all?
Okay, it's a yes or no question, ma'am.
No, I understand that.
Okay. I'm not going, ma'am, listen, Miss Cleve, I'm not here to debate. Okay, it's a yes or no question. Are you willing? You said no. Okay. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? If you fail to submit to the test I've requested of you,
Suspended driver's
your
license.
privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or for a period of 18 months if your privilege has previously been suspended. With that being in mind, do you still wish to not provide a sample of your breath?
Yeah, so what's the point? I'm already arrested, so...
Okay. So you will not provide a sample?
No.
Okay, all right. You're going to jail. Your car's being
I was
towed.
already going to jail.
Have we already called for her?
Yeah, I already did.
Do you have her ID?
Well, she's got arrested, so we got taken.
Oh, so that's why she's carrying around this one.
Yeah. But I'll gladly take that one too. This come off of him?
Yeah, it came off.
Take that gel with him.
Yeah,
All right. I'll be out there in a second. Anywho.
Jennifer was charged with resisting an officer and DUI. She bonded out quickly, was assigned a public defender, and pled no contest to both charges in July 2025. The judge adjudicated her guilty, placed her on probation, and later noted successful completion of the pre-trial diversion on August 19, 2025.
Wow. So she pled guilty to DUI? Damn. She's cooked. Insurance do not like that. God damn. Yeah, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. She was bombed. She was bombed. All of them. They must have had a good time at the beach. Yeah, when the officer tells you to step out, you gotta step out. I mean, regardless, it wasn't gonna change what was gonna happen. The officer already had his mind made up. You know, just like he was like, when the lady said, well, if she would have just got out, would it have changed? He said, oh yeah, it would have changed. Not really. I mean, she wouldn't have got the resisting charge, but resisting is just it's a BS charge. You know what I'm saying? It's just something to throw on top of there, but she cooked. The dude was actually the most calmest one out of all of them, which was actually surprising because a lot of times the guys are the ones that kind of go off the handle, you know, but it was like he knew what was up already. And he's like, all right, time for me to go. You know, it's always best, you know, if you know you got some skeletons in your closet, get them done, get them out the way, you know what I mean? And then you can move on with your life. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna give these guys, I'm gonna rate these guys, I'm gonna say 4 out of 5. I think they did a pretty good job. 4 out of 5, the way that the officers did. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.